Hello and welcome to another video. This is me Ali Raza, and today we are going to talk about Google local ads. So what are Google local ads? Google local ads are basically more customized and more personalized ads being shown for local areas. These are very good advertising strategy when you want to target a particular area, like a particular town in a city, multiple towns in a city, or when your ads are limited to a particular city. These are called local ads. In this video I will be explaining on what are Google local ads, how you can use, what are the benefits, cons, pros, and some examples. So let's get started with me on this. So here you can see some of the examples of local ads. You can see the first ad, this is a pop a lock, and the second ad you can see in A, B, C, D. The first ad which has A, D showing on, it is a local ad example. But let me be more specific and give you a more accurate example so you can see it yourself on what are local ads. So here, let's say I want to write buy pizza. Just I'm going to write buy pizza. So okay, so you can see these are the local results, but no local ad yet on here. Let me go specific. Maybe I may find something really good. So you can see this is an ad. It has an AD written on it. Even this is an ad as well, so it has an AD written on it. So the ad results are being shown above the local search results. I have a separate video on local SEO and how you can attain good rankings in local SEO, and you will find the description link of that video in the description. So make sure to watch that as well, because in that video I have explained in detail about what is local SEO and how their results are different from the traditional SEO. So here we are talking about local search ads, and you can see these results, and they will always being displayed above the normal search results. So now the thing is that these results are only beneficial, and these keywords are only beneficial when I'm running for particular areas. So let's say let me search in another query, probably like doctors near me. And no, I didn't find any ad for that. So maybe let me search about mobile shop. Maybe I find something, an ad on it. No ad on it as well. Probably something related to iPhone. Maybe I can see an ad. No ad on it as well. So probably maybe I can search for plumber. Maybe I find something. No, yeah, I can see local results. So you can see there is a huge plenty demand yet which is not yet fulfilled. So there is a huge margin that I'm only able to see one ad on the pizza. So let me search another. Probably I may find another ad. So you can see I have finally seen another ad, and that is on way back burgers. Let me put this to somewhere. You can see you can see this is an ad. Let me show you through. Like you can see this is an ad, AD written on it. So this is an ad, and it is being shown above the traditional results. So let's get back to our slides. So I just showed you the example of local ads. Now let's move on. Who should use local ads? So any local business, local ads is for you. You can use it. If you are a mobile repair shop, if you are a pizza, like we search on pizza, if you have a restaurant, cafe, a doctor, engineer, plumber, lawyer, photographer, even if you have locksmith business, if you have a garage doors, if you are an electrician, if you do air duct cleaner, appliance repair service, auto glass services, if you are a mover, if you help people to move from location to location, if you are a carpet cleaner, handyman, home improvement, house cleaner, junk removal, lawn care, lawyer, painter, pest control, pet care provider, pet groomer, road assistance, tree service provider, upholstery cleaner, water damage service provider, window cleaner, or anyone else. I just figured out something, these niches while googling on Google, but sky's the limit. So you can promote any local service. If you're doing in your particular area, you can promote it on Google, because people use Google search whenever they want. So now you must be on why local ads. Now, I mean, what is that? Why local ads are better? So here you can see some of the. First of all, let me show you some CPC scenarios on what is the cost for running local ads. So don't worry, with the cost. When there is a sale, when there is a customer coming on, I know you can pay a bit, because quality is the key here. And if you think quality leads, if you are looking for leads, if you are looking for sales, then on the question was, because they show the right at the correct moment to the right audience. For instance, if I have a mobile repair shop, particularly in a single area, I do not need to run local ads, nationwide ads, or even a citywide ad, because I know that area, my limited 1 to 2 or 3 close areas, or a 10 kilometer, 20 or 30 kilometer radius, people are actually my targeted audience, nothing more than that. So if I know that thing, I know that local ads are for me. They are more personalized, more targeted, and for many businesses, Google ads are actually definitely worth it, and they were able to generate good sales through it, because the quality of the local ads, leads generated from local ads, were much better than the traditional ads, or a display ad, or regular search ads. So now move on to how to set up Google local ads. So you have to bear with me, that you have to stay with me, because in this video I will be explaining on how to set Google ads, and this is the most important part of the video, so stay with me on this. So here's the dashboard of my account. I even named the account as local ads. So so here, this is the dashboard of Google ads, and I'm going to create my local ads for you. So here you go. I have to select this new campaign. Okay, so now I've been given 8 options: sales, leads, website traffic, product, brand consideration, brand awareness, app promotion, local store visits, and create a campaign without goals, criteria. So my strategy is to create a local campaign, because I wanted to local ads. So my option is a 7th number: local store visits and promotions. This is the ad I'm going to create. I will select this. And now I've been given 2 options: Performance Max campaigns, local campaigns. So you must be wondering, what is Performance Max campaign? I will be creating a dedicated video soon on what is Performance Max, but right now it's a combination of different functions, such as if I wanted to run my ad on search, display, I want to combine all the efforts into a single campaign. This is the result, that will be the result on Performance Max. But right now, no. I do not want to create that ultimate single campaign, but right now I just want to create a local campaign. So for local ads, I'm going to select local, drive customers to our physical location. Yeah, okay, so continue with local campaign. Okay, now I have given use your business location or use your affiliate location. For instance, if you are a franchise of a specific business, you can select it from affiliate location. For instance, I have a franchise of Domino's and I want to run ad for my Domino's. If you are a franchise of a specific McDonald's, KFC, or any specific brand, if even Pizza Hut, or even if you are, like if you have an iPhone shop, if you are an authorized Apple retailer, so you can select it from here. So that is how it's going to be. We will be creating a campaign. So let's say if I have going in to use my local option, and I'm going to select my options, and for instance it has 26 countries. For instance, if I wanted to do for United States, you can see I'm able to find 6,631 chains in it. Herb, Pizza, Hotel, Amazon, Appliance Factory, different companies, different cheeseburgers, L&D, you name it, and they have it. Even in United Kingdom, 1,067 chains I have, and in Canada, let me see, 1,378 chains. So even if I, for instance, like I said, for Domino's Pizza, you can select it from here. Okay, so it's a in case if you want to do an affiliate location, and if you have your own location, for that you are going to link it with your business profile manager, and you are going to select that location through it. So it's very easy. Either you have to link your own location or use an affiliate location. So for now, I'm going to use an affiliate location. For instance, if I wanted to promote it tram to clean. So here you go. It's a UK trampoline. Okay, here you go. I just selected it. Okay, so for all locations. Okay, that's it. Even I don't know what is trampoline, so let me search that as well. Trampoline UK. So I know what it is as well. Oh no, what did I select? Okay, so here you go. Here I'm going to name my campaign. I can create a local ads. Here I'm going to select the language my customers speak. English can be the priority if because even in UK the main language is UK English, so it's fine. My daily average budget for this campaign, let's say it's going to be $100. $100. Okay. Now coming to bidding and maximize conversion value for now. Okay. So now campaign optimization. It's again optional. Where I have to say that the call clicks value is $1, and where people are asking for the driving directions, where people are asking for the directions to my office, it's again $1 for that. Even I can unselect it as well. Okay, I'm going to name my ad group number 1 as ad assets. Okay. Okay. So trampoline is basically the cheapest and most fun trampoline park in the UK. So keeping in mind this thing, we are going to name it as we are going to create a local ad, and with the local ads you have an option either to ask for a direction or for your number as well. Even you can do that as well. So for instance, my URL is for instance just for my communication with you, I'm going to give the Twitter link of this. Okay, here I have added my ad. You can never be old to have fun. Okay, it's a little longer, so visit us, buy the ticket. Okay, and for urging people to make a call to us so we can convert the lead into sale on the phone call. So here I'm going to add the call to action. So order now, order, or probably get 10% off. Yes, this is fine. Okay, I also have to add the image as well. So for trampoline, I'm going to use the same image. I also have to add the logo as well. So probably make myself shorter. Okay, so here you go. You can see that here as well, in case if I make it browse, uh, so you can see it's showing here. And then I also need to add a video as well. So for the video and for the logo, for a logo, I'm going to add my own logo here. Only if they allow me to use my logo. So here you go. But this image is too small. So let me find something in the Scanda website. Oh, I can use this image as a logo. Yes, they are allowing me to use this image as a logo, and it's selected. Okay, so I have a logo, and this thing is set as well. Now moving on to the video. So here you go for video. Even if I do not have any asset, I haven't uploaded anything, I can just search on YouTube and add something, probably rendered trampoline park. So ideally you do not need to add any random video, but your own business video on your own YouTube channel which you have to select it over here. Okay, so now I even selected that as well. Select this as a logo. Okay, so here you go. Where I'm missing, I'm not. Let me check everything. Okay, my business name is trampoline. Trampoline. Trampoline is my business name. You can see they are also showing trampoline search Google Map result, and now also an ad as well. You can see this ad. Have fun in trampoline park. Do you know that you are never too old to have fun? I'm not creative in creating ads. My team is very creative. My staff is very creative, and right now I'm just creating a video as well. So pardon me if for any errors here. You can also see the Google reviews along with that. And now we have also to get 10% off. Everything is we are done. And now moving on to the save and continue. So everything for recheck, no end dates. I can run a campaign for particular dates as well. Trampoline is my location type, which I selected. Local stores, visits and promotions, maximize conversion value, campaign budget. Everything is done. Continue to campaign. So my campaign is ready, and that is how I'm able to create a Google local search ads. In case if you want to create your own Google local search ads campaign and management, me and my team is available, and you can hire us through the link in the description section. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to ask. Thank you for watching my video, and please, if possible, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.